Good morning, students. Our today's topic is two-stage RC coupled common emitter amplifier. Okay. Our topic is two-stage RC coupled common emitter amplifier. This is the circuit diagram of two-stage RC coupled common emitter amplifier. Okay. So this two-stage means from this point to up to this point. That is transistor Q1, RC1, C1, this form the first stage, and this resistor R1, R2, Q2, this form the second stage of the CE amplifier. Okay, this one is RC. Okay, so the resistance capacitance couplings is very simple and widely used in वाइड बैंड एम्पलीफायर स्टेजेस. ओके, सो इसमें क्या होता है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो हमारा जो RC1 और C1 है, ये क्या है, कपलिंग नेटवर्क है. कपलिंग नेटवर्क है. तो जो भी हमारा जो इनपुट हम, दिस वन इज द इनपुट एसी सिग्नल. इनपुट एसी सिग्नल हम थ्रू द कैपेसिटर C1 अप्लाइड एट द बेस ऑफ द ट्रांजिस्टर Q1. ओके, सो एम्पलीफाइड आउटपुट कहाँ मिलता है हमें, इस नेटवर्क में मिलता है, एट द कलेक्टर पॉइंट ऑफ द ट्रांजिस्टर्स वी आर गेटिंग द एम्पलीफाइड आउटपुट सिग्नल. दिस एम्पलीफाइड आउटपुट सिग्नल इज fed or coupled through this RC network, to the transistor Q2, and final output we are getting across this load resistance RL. This V0 is the output AC signal. Okay, this R1, R2, this both resistors R1 and R2 form the voltage divider circuit. Okay, when the AC signal is applied to the input of the first stage, as already I have explained, this is amplified this transistor Q1, and we are getting across this collector resistors. And this RC1 and C1 form the coupling network, and this output coupled by this coupling network and fed to the base of the transistor Q2, which is amplified by this transistor Q1, and we are getting the output across this load resistor RL. Okay, that is this V0 is the output amplified output AC signal. Okay, देन हम इसका देखेंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी रिस्पॉन्स. ये हो गया इसका सर्किट डायग्राम और एक्सप्लेनेशन. अब इसका देखेंगे हम फ्रीक्वेंसी रिस्पॉन्स. we will see the frequency response. This is the flat response. Low frequencies. High frequency and mid frequency. Mid frequency. Okay. At low frequency, the reactance of the capacitor CC is quite large. ठीक है, उसका जो कैपेसिटेंस होता है वो क्या आता है, quite large. Therefore, it will allow only a small part of AC signal to pass from one stage to next stage. Okay. Then हाई फ्रीक्वेंसीज, हाई फ्रीक्वेंसीज में क्या होता है, जो कपलिंग कैपेसिटेंस होता है वो क्या होता है, क्वाइट स्मॉल, क्वाइट स्मॉल, therefore it behaves like a short circuit at high frequencies. And in mid frequency, in mid frequency the voltage gain of the amplifier is constant in mid frequency. Okay, the effect of coupling capacitor in this frequency range is such that it maintains a constant voltage gain. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, in low frequencies, see here, in low frequencies the reactance of coupling capacitor, that is CC, is quite small, therefore it allows only a small part of AC signal, to pass from one stage to the next stage. Okay, and in high frequencies the coupling capacitor, this is the high frequency, that is 20 kilohertz to F2, F1, F2 is the range given, that is it's 50 hertz is the low frequency, and this 20 kilohertz onwards up to F2 are the high frequencies. So at high frequencies this coupling capacitance become quite small, therefore it behaves like a short circuit at the, in this region, it behaves like a short circuit in this region. And this one is the mid frequencies, that is from 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz, its gain is constant, remains constant. This indicates that its voltage gain is remain constant, and thus the frequency increases. Okay, this is about the frequency response of the RC coupled CE amplifier. RC coupled amplifier.